Welcome. If your Telegram groups are constantly buzzing and distracting you, setting their notifications to low priority is a simple way to stay focused without missing important updates. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to adjust your Telegram group notification priority step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the three-line menu icon or your profile picture. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can control all your app preferences and notification behavior. Inside Settings, look for Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. This section lets you customize how Telegram alerts you for messages, groups, and channels. Now, tap on Group. Here you'll find all the notification settings specifically for your group chats. Scroll down a bit and tap on More options. This will open additional customization features that are not visible in the main group notification settings. From there, tap on Priority. This setting controls how prominently Telegram notifications appear on your device. You'll see a few different options, but for fewer interruptions, select Low. This reduces the visibility and urgency of group notifications, helping you avoid constant distractions while still receiving updates in the background. And that's it. Your Telegram group notifications are now set to low priority. This is especially useful if you're part of multiple active groups and want to stay organized without being overwhelmed by alerts. By making this small adjustment, you can take control of your notifications and create a more focused, distraction-free experience on Telegram.